Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of Onecloner AI. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one.
Tech-driven world, almost all the things are now driven by the websites only, whether it's sales company, marketers, business owners. The demand for websites in multiple languages is at its peak. With the surge in websites, businesses are dying to engage with their audience effectively. This presents a golden opportunity to start your very own website cloning agency, where you can clone and sell stunning websites and fulfill the needs of businesses and clients, while filling up your pocket. So, dive into the app frenzy, and watch your entrepreneurial venture soar as you create and sell websites for substantial profits. So, don't wait any longer and grab this opportunity right now. And here comes the shocker. Onecloner AI is the new big game changer. Thousands of smart marketers and business owners are secretly cloning and migrating websites on their domains, and even building stunning websites in multiple niches and languages. Amit Gaywood said he cloned his dream website. Onecloner AI has revolutionized the way I work. In just minutes, I cloned entire website with all their contents. This tool has saved me countless hours and significantly boosted my productivity. The ability to clone and migrate any website on my domain in less than 60 seconds, including all images, videos, pages, media files, databases, templates, and themes, is incredible. Increase your website loading time by 10x with our built-in one-click image and video optimization tool. Make your site load faster. Effortlessly customize and edit the cloned websites and pages with built-in, world-class website editor. Fingoswamy said, started my own web cloning agency. Onecloner AI is a game changer. It has enabled me to quickly clone and customize websites for my clients, enhancing my agency's offerings. The built-in, world-class website editor allows for effortless customization and editing. Plus, with features like scheduling real-time daily backups and adding unlimited custom domains and subdomains, this tool has opened up new revenue streams for my agency. Prabhat S. said, I was amazed at how easy Onecloner AI is to use. As someone with no technical background, I was amazed at how easy Onecloner AI is to use. I can now clone websites and start earning profits without any hassle. The ability to pick from over 1,000 plus AI website templates and 500 plus stunning theme templates has truly transformed my business. The one-click AI content generation feature is a game changer, allowing me to instantly create and add images, videos, music, and more to my cloned websites. Yogesh A. said, boosted my income tremendously. Onecloner AI has significantly boosted my income. I can now clone websites in under 60 seconds and sell them on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. The built-in copywriter generates high-converting sales copies, blog posts, and articles, skyrocketing my traffic and sales instantly. The ability to add CTAs, opt-in forms, and exit pop-ups to my cloned websites has been a huge advantage. This tool is a must-have for any web developer looking to increase their earnings. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.